All right, guys. So welcome to day 4 of this training, and we are getting closer to where we are going to each and every day. So now, in today's video, I want to do something little different. It's still affiliate marketing we are going to talk about. So I want to give you an option and ways you can use to make fast income for yourself without selling software, or you just want to pick up an offer that people really want real quick. So you can just sell to them and make the money for yourself. So I'm going to teach you that in this video. With that being said, guys, let's get on screen so I don't waste much time here, and we get to do this quickly so we can get sets to make the money that we actually want, right? So coming over to warriorplus.com, so which is the website and the affiliate marketplace that we are going to use for the training. So here you can click on sign up if you don't have an existing account, but if you do have an existing account, you can just click on already registered, click on sign in right there. So if you don't, create an account with this information, and for me, I'm going to click on sign in right here, and I'm going to log in as a Black Hustler. And right here, I'm inside my account. All I need to do from here is to come over to the affiliate offers. So once I click on affiliates and offers right there, it's going to load up a page for me like this. So the next thing I'm going to do is to get familiar with all of this offer, and I'm going to share with you what you need to consider why you want to pick an offer that you want to sell and how you are going to sell them. So this video is very simple and basic, which you are going to do for day 4 and day 5. I'm going to walk you through the promotional steps and how we are going to get this done to make the money. So right here, you can see I have like 14 sales notification right there, and that's a month that I've been able to earn on this website recently. So right here, you can see we have release dates right here, sales, conversion rates, visitors value, average sales, and refund rates, right? Out of all of these things, you only need to consider 3, which is the release date, the average, the conversion rate, and the refund rate, because we don't want to sell old products that have high conversion rates and low refund rates, but it's old, right? So it's better we sell real and new offers with high conversion rate and with minimum refund rate that we can control. So now let's get started. This is a live example. You can see auto lead machine, which it has 2,000 sales and was launched on 28th of March, and with the conversion rate of 32% and with the refund rate of 2%. This is a quite good offer, and I'm going to request for it, which I'm going to show you how to at the end of this video. So stay close and pay close attention to this video. So this is like another one, 1,006, 10,000, 10% conversion rate and 2% refund rate, which is awesome. And you can see right here, we have like this 500 sales, 13 conversion rates and 0 refund rates. So you can see, so anything that's more than 5 refund rates, just stay away from that offer unless the conversion rate is like 50%. You can see this is a bad offer, which I won't like to promote. This is like 12% conversion rate and 9% refund rate. So I don't want something that people is going to see and it will not convert them to a buyer. You can see this is another one, 17% conversion rate and 4, which is good one. And you can see this is an awesome. This is like 3612. This is quite good because this high, but then this like risk. So here we are going to choose this, which is perfect too. Now, after you pick up an offer, you need to know what the offer is all about before you request to promote it, and you need to map out your audience avatar. So I'm just going to click on auto lead machine, and right here we are going to come over to the auto lead machine page. So to get familiar with this, I want to see the funnel, what it look like as I'm showing you. So to get on this page, you just need to click on the name of the offer, and you are going to click on the products right here. So we see our commission rate. So for the front end, we earn 100% commission, which means any sales we make on the front page, we are going to keep all of the money to ourselves. And right here, the other one, we are going to earn 50%, and for the up sales, up say 5, we are going to earn just 25%, which is still good, and we can make so much money for ourselves right here. So our commission rate is from $9 to $252 on this offer, right? So it's a good number, and this is like how I generated email subscriber autopilot every single day from day one without a website, social media. So this for people that are trying to build their email machine, email list, and also looking for lead. So this is like for business owner, people that sell service, content creator, you can see right here. So I'm just going to click on visit sales page so I can read through and know what this is all about and identify my targeted audience, which is very, very important. And I'm going to tell you how we are going to sell this to them in day 5, right? So now, coming over right here, you can see how I generated our email subscriber. This for lead generation. So here, you can read through. Okay, I want guaranteed subscriber. So this for business owners, and I can even tell you straight, it's easy to identify. It's easy to identify. Really, really easy to identify. So I'm just going to request. So this is how you do. You click on request approval. So for your own case, make sure you understand the product that you want to promote very well first. So you won't just sell the service to people that doesn't need it. So in order not to waste your time, make sure you are very detailed about your audience avatar. So you sell directly to people that are in need of this offer, right? So I'm not going to allow vendor to contact me with my email. So I'm going to put in my text, which is, I am interested in promoting. Okay, I made a mistake. Promoting this offer of yours, and I will be glad if you could approve my requests, as I'm set to sell this product to the right audience. Full stop. And I'm going to do thanks in advance. All right. So I'm just going to correct a little out of this, and I'm going to leave it this way. So I'm going to put this test in the description of this video, so you can get to copy this and you can just switch it around and you can get your request for offer. So I'm going to request for this, and all you need to do now is to find like 4 more, which I'm going to do. I love this so much. I'm going to click on request. So, and I'm going to look out for like some again. I'm going to click on this and I'm going to check out a few more. I'm going to choose this, and also I'm going to choose this. So you have to choose like 5 daily because your account is new, but me, I can choose like more than 5, but then I'm just going to work with what you guys we have access to. So I don't just do overdo. All right, so this is request. So I'm waiting for this to come up, and I'm just going to copy this again, paste this right here, requests, and I'm going to request for this as well, because all of these offer are good. So I'm just going to show you how much I'm going to earn at the end of this. So this is how you do for day 4. And when we get to day 5, we proceed to do more on the promotion. That's when our link has been approved. So we don't just do something. I don't want to do theory, so I want to show you practically how I'm going to do that, right? So right here, it's going to show you. So you can see right here, I'm going to come over to the product to see what the funnel look like. So you can see this person approved me immediately. So you can see this other percent on the front page as well as 75% down the funnel. And right here again, this is like 50% down the funnel, which is good one. And let's see this next one is like 50% down the funnel too. And here we have like 50% down the funnel. So we are good to go. All you need to do now is to go over to warriorplus.com, sign up your account, check your offer, understand it, map out your audience, and request for 5 products per day till you see the next lesson, which is day 5. And I'm going to see you on that video where we get to work more on the promotion as we are waiting for our affiliate link to be approved. So till then, guys, stay at peace and make sure you do this practically so we can get to scale up together. Peace out.